If you love nails and true crime, you're in the right place, because I'm bringing you both. Polished to perfection. It was Friday, October 14th, 2022, 6:45 p.m., and the fading gold of the Brooklyn sunset spilled through the glass windows of Velour Nails and Spa, a boutique salon tucked between a vintage bookstore and a Dominican bakery on Fulton Street. The smell of acetone and lavender lotion hung in the air, mingling with the sound of R&B playing softly in the background. Maya Lopez, the salon's owner, was in her element. At 33, she had built Velour from the ground up. Marble-topped manicure tables, plush rose chairs, and a client list that included local influencers and even a couple of TV personalities. That evening, her 7 p.m. appointment was Lila Drake, a regular customer with a penchant for deep crimson polish and gossip. Lila was a striking woman in her early 40s, always dressed like she was going somewhere important, even for a simple manicure. She leaned across the table, lowering her voice. "You hear about that cold case they just reopened?" she asked, eyes glinting. "The one from 10 years ago? The girl who vanished after leaving a salon in this very neighborhood?" Maya paused mid-file. She knew exactly the case Lila was talking about. Renee Carter, 26. Years old, disappeared after her last appointment on October 14th, 2012. No witnesses, no leads, just her purse found in a storm drain 3 blocks away. At 7:23 p.m., the front door chimed. A tall man in a charcoal coat stepped in, his face half hidden beneath the brim of a fedora. He scanned the room, then smiled faintly. "Can I help you?" Maya asked, masking her unease. "I'm Detective Aaron Stone, Cold Case Unit." He flashed his badge quickly. "Mind if I ask you a few questions? I hear you were the last person to see Renee Carter alive." Lila's head snapped toward Maya. "Wait, you?" Maya's hands trembled slightly as she set down the nail file. I did her nails that night, yes. But I told the police everything I knew back then." Aaron took a seat at an empty station. "Funny thing is, some evidence just turned up. Under the cushion of the chair where she sat that night, a small, polished silver key. Any idea why that might be there, Ms. Lopez?" Maya shook her head, but something in her eyes shifted. Just enough for Lila to notice. By 8:04 p.m., the salon was empty except for the 3 of them. Aaron placed the key on the table between them. "It opens a storage unit in Red Hook," he said. "Inside, we found a trunk, the kind you might store valuables in." Maya's voice softened. "Or secrets?" Aaron leaned in. "You want to tell me why Renee's engagement ring and half her wardrobe were in that trunk, along with a ledger full of cash transactions under your name?" For a long moment, Maya said nothing. Then she smiled, slow and deliberate. "Because Renee never vanished. She left. And I helped her. We staged everything. The purse, the disappearance, all of it." Aaron frowned. "Why?" "She was my sister," Maya whispered. "And she was trying to get away from the man who put that ring on her finger." Here's the twist. The man she was talking about? Detective Aaron Stone's brother. Aaron sat back in his chair, the weight of it settling in. He didn't cuff her. He didn't even speak. Just stared at the key on the table like it had burned a hole straight through the last 10 years of his life. To the channel where mystery meets obsession. I break down chilling cases, shocking twists, and unsolved stories you won't stop thinking about. Disclaimer, the crime stories shared on this channel are fictional and created purely for entertainment purposes. Viewer discretion is advised, as the themes may still include sensitive or suspenseful content. Watch as I bring you thrilling tales well. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. All of these press-ons will be available on my TikTok shop very soon, and I am so excited to share them with you. I'd love to know, what's your favorite press-on style? Drop your favorite shape, size, or color in the comments. I'll also be offering large, medium, and small sizes, so there's something for everyone. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. And that's not all. I'll also be going live with true crime stories, behind-the-scenes content, and more fun surprises while we chat about nails. It's going to be the perfect mix of beauty and mystery, so make sure you're following along. Also, let me know what you would like to see. Do you want more nail tutorials, mystery storytelling, or maybe a mix of both? I want to create content you'll actually enjoy, so your feedback means everything. Drop your ideas in the comments.